Hello everyone and welcome to Solving Solo series for CAT examinations. Solving one question at one time. Very popular ratio proportion question and very famous with aptitude test competitive examination. Fresh grapes contain 90% water by weight. So water is 90% and so the pulp would be 10%. Dried grapes contain 20% water by weight, that means 80% is pulp. What is the weight of dry grapes available from 20 kg of fresh grapes? We have 20 kg of fresh grapes which should give us pulp of 10%, that is 2 kg. Okay, so how many kgs of dried grapes will give us a pulp of 2 kg? We know that 80% of x is equals to 2 kg. That means 4 by 5x is 2 kg. X is 10 by 4, 2.5 kg. Just comparing weights with the pulp percentages and equating. Answer is 2.5 kg. Keep practicing, subscribe to our channel, and I hope this is clear with all of you. Thank you. I'll see you soon.